Welcome back to Collective Light. My name is Cherise Lovely, and I will be guiding you through a nice, gentle, outdoor, slow flow. Wherever you are, feel free to grab your mat, any props that you might need, and we'll begin standing at the top of our mat. Bring your feet hips width distance, arms by your sides, and palms face out. Relax your shoulders, and just feel the energy rising up through the soles of your feet from earth and releasing out through your fingertips. With each breath in, draw that energy up through your legs into your heart center. And exhale through both arms, out through all 10 fingertips. Inhale, visualize that golden light coming up into your heart center. And exhale out through your fingers into the world. Take 3 more breaths here. And flip your palms to the sky. Inhale, reach up high. Exhale, flip your palms and come all the way down into a fold. Inhale, halfway lift, plant your palms into your shins. Exhale, come back down, forward fold. Inhale, flip your palms, reach all the way up. And exhale, bring your hands through your heart center and back down by your sides. Again, inhale, reach, move with your breath. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. Exhale, hands through your heart to your sides. Inhale, rise. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, mountain pose. Inhale, reach to the sky. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, bring your palms down. Step your right foot back. Bring your back knee onto the mat. Inhale, lift your arms up high. Exhale, draw your hips down low. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Another deep breath in. Exhale, release your palms down. Come into a tabletop. Inhale, press your belly to the mat. Draw your heart forward. Exhale, round your back. Tuck your chin into your chest. Inhale, round. Exhale. Tuck. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Flat back here. Inhale. Tuck your toes. Exhale. Send your hips to the sky. Downward dog. Hold here. Breathe as you press your hips towards the sky. Use your exhale to send your heels closer to earth. Breathing in through your nose and out through your nose. Inhale, bend your knees, look forward. Exhale, travel to your hands, as many steps as you need. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, forward. Inhale, rise, mountain. Exhale, bring your hands through heart center by your side. Inhale, rise. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step your left leg back. Bring your knee onto the mat. Inhale, reach your arms up high. Exhale, draw your hips down low. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your nose. One more. Inhale here. Exhale, bring your palms down. Bring your right knee back into tabletop. Inhale, cow pose. Draw your belly down. Exhale, cat pose. Round your back. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. One more. Inhale. Exhale, round. Inhale, tuck your toes. Exhale, hips come to the sky. Hold your down dog. Breathe. Inhale, extend your right leg high. Exhale, bend your knee. Stack your hips, keep your chest facing earth. Inhale, straighten your right leg. Exhale, step your foot between your palms. Inhale, rise, crescent lunge. Exhale, draw your hips down. Hold. Take a few rounds of breath here. Inhale. Exhale, pivot your back heel. Arms come to a T for warrior two. Gaze through your third finger here. Flip your right palm. Inhale, reach back. Relax your left arm onto your back thigh. Keep a bend in that front knee here. Deep breath in. Exhale, bring your right arm down. Extend your left arm overhead. Gaze can be to the sky. Breathe. Inhale, straighten your right leg. Reach your right fingertips up, triangle pose. Really extend your fingertips. Deep breath in. Exhale, bend your knee. Bring your arms all the way down. Come back into your tabletop. Inhale, press your belly down. Exhale, round your back. Tuck your toes. Send your hips to the sky. Breathe here. Inhale your left leg to the sky. Exhale, bend your knee. Chest faces earth. Inhale, straighten your left leg. Exhale, step your foot between your palms. Inhale, rise, crescent lunge. Exhale, land into your lunge. Breathe here. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, pivot that back heel. Open your arms to a T. Gaze through that third finger in front of you. Flip your left palm to the sky. Inhale, reach back. Keep that bend in your front knee. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, bring that left arm down. Extend your right arm overhead. Maybe gaze to the sky. Inhale, straighten your front leg. Reverse your arms, reach your left fingertips high. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, bring your arms all the way down. Back knee down, and the other meets in. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, cat pose. Tuck your toes, hips to the sky, downward dog. Hold and breathe. Bring your knees down as wide as the mat. Bring your big toes to touch and send your hips to your heels. Forehead comes down as you extend your arms. Deep breaths in and out through your nose here. Inhale, press up. Step your left foot to the outside of your palm. Relax your back knee. Relax the back of your foot, the top of your foot. You can stay on your palms or come down onto your forearms. Relax your shoulders and your head down and breathe. Inhale, press up into your palms if you're not already there. Scoot your foot in between your hands. And extend your left fingertips to the sky. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, bring that palm back down. Step back into a table. And step your right foot forward to the outside of your palm. You can stay lifted here or come down onto your forearms. Relax your head and your shoulders down. Breathe. Inhale to press back up. And extend your right fingertips to the sky. Take a deep breath in. Exhale your palm down. Bring that right knee back. And shift your hips around in one direction. And then the other direction. And come to stand on your shins. Bring your palms onto your lower back, fingertips face down. Use your inhale to draw your shoulder blades together. Exhale, lift your heart and lift your chin. Take tiny sips of air. Inhale, come back through center. Exhale, come to sit on your shins. Bring your palms down. Ground yourself here. Close your eyes. And take a few rounds of breath. And we'll shift slowly to a seat. Extend both legs long. Point your toes. Flex your toes, point, and flex. And create circles here if that feels good for you in both directions. And then flex your feet. Inhale, reach your arms to the sky. Exhale, hinge from your hips forward. Lead with your heart down and let your hands come down where they are today. Tuck your chin into your chest. Inhale, rise. Bend your knees and slowly come down onto your back. Pull your knees into your chest when you get there. And bring your knees wide and grab the insides or the outsides of both feet here. Stamp them to the sky as you plant your lower back into earth. Option to sway here if that feels good, or stay in stillness. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Open mouth, exhale, release. Deep breath in. Open mouth, exhale, release. Take one more round of breath like that. Then straighten one leg out. Bring it back to center. Straighten your other leg out. Bring it back to center. Pull both your knees into your chest. And extend your left leg long. Pull your right knee in towards your right armpit. Exhale, guide your knee over your body. Reach your right arm to a T. Breathe here. Into your belly. Breathe out through your nose. Hold and breathe here. Draw your knee back to center. Pull your other knee in to meet it. And then extend your right leg long. Inhale. Pull your left knee in to your left armpit. Exhale. Guide your knee over your body. Relax your left shoulder into earth. Deep belly breath in through your nose and out through your nose. Stay here and breathe. Inhale, come back through center. Give yourself a nice big hug. Use your exhale to release your legs long. Take up space, open your arms. Relax your back body into earth. And trust that I will guide you out when it is time. Shavasana. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Open mouth, exhale, release. Slowly rock your head from side to side. Slowly bring movement into your fingers and toes. Create circles with your wrists and ankles. Extend your legs long, reach your arms all the way overhead. And exhale, roll over to one side into the fetal position. Take a moment here to just breathe. While you're here, think about one or even 3 things that you are grateful for today. Then after your gratitudes with your eyes still closed, come up to a seat. Reach your palms to the sky. Inhale, slowly bring them up and around, gathering all that positive energy you created for yourself. And exhale, draw it into your heart center. Tuck your chin to your chest. Give thanks to yourself for practicing for yourself today.